Is your PC running slow even with 8 GB or 16 GB RAM, or you want to unlock your CPU's full power? Actually, your Windows PC might not be using its full RAM or CPU power even if you have 8 GB, 16 GB or more. There's a hidden setting inside the Windows that can unlock full performance in just a few clicks. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can speed up your system. Because let's be honest, it's seriously annoying when your expensive PC still runs like a potato.
Before we fix this, like the video and must subscribe my channel and stay till the end because you are not gonna believe the result.
So you want full speed? Let's fix this. Press Window and R key on your keyboard. Type MSConfig. Go to the boot tab. Click Advanced Options. And here you can see the number of processors. Double check to get the maximum number of processors. Similarly, double check to get the maximum memory. I have 16 GB, so it is selected. Click OK. Now click Apply and OK again. Now we must have to restart the system. Restart. This is mandatory. After restarting, we will definitely feel the difference. Faster app launch, better multitasking, full CPU core access, and no extra software needed. This is simple, safe and fast. Let's enjoy it. Thank you.